absolute daredevil status right there. Far out, that is ground. If I can run into this thing. Jesus Christ! That is huge! That is absolutely huge! Yes! Yes! Ah! Fuck!
What?
Right here. God. Dear God, never please forgive me for my sins. Brandon, we're gonna die. I love you. I love you.
That was terrifying. The internet would put it this way. That was terrifying.
Oh no, the roof! The roof!
The roof of the world.
Dead center, top of the world, magnetic north on the compass is on the move in a big way. Is on the move in a big way. Just when you thought there could not be more change going on in the world, magnetic north is moving. Aviators know it has always moved, but not like this. It's just skipping along. It's on the move about 40 miles a year now along the polar cap toward Russia. It's a natural, unstoppable occurrence, but because of it, some airport runways, calibrated by compass, are now 3 or 4 degrees off. At Tampa International in Florida, they're going to repaint the numbers on the runway and redesignate them because...
One of the runways at Tampa International Airport is temporarily closed, and it's all because of changes taking place deep beneath the Earth's surface. Our Eric Waxler has more on what's going on.
While Earth's magnetic pole shift doesn't exactly make the mainstream news headlines, it's not exactly a state secret either. For more than a decade now, scientists have been publishing evidence that Earth's magnetic poles are in the process of reversing.
This is runway 18R36L at Tampa International Airport. It's the most used at TIA, but now it's shut down. The reason? The Earth's magnetic North Pole is shifting. Yeah, there's a connection. First...
How can this be? A thought? Anyone?
Master?
You've played with magnets before. What happens when you bring 2 North Poles together?
Well, they kind of hate each other.
They repel.
The Padawan is right. Go to the center of gravity's pull and find your planet. You will.
Earth is 8 weeks into the first Earth change uptick period for the 2018 Earth orbit cycle relative to the Black Star, position on the right side of the Scorpio constellation. See, Scorpio is right here. Area of space between Scorpio and Libra is very small.
I said no lies.
I think he's telling the truth.
If he were telling the truth, he wouldn't have told us.
Unless, of course, he knew you wouldn't believe the truth, even if he told it to you.
All right, listen up. I need everyone's attention.
NASA knows a magnetic field flip happens about every 200,000 to 300,000 years. We know that the last major field flip was about 780,000 years ago.
2 + 2 is 4, -1.
I feel like this is long overdue.
But wait, there's more.
South magnetic pole is moving more slowly. It is definitively shifting too, and has now left the continent of Antarctica.
Hell no!
The poles are shifting faster and faster.